we are going to see what is cloud computing. Before going to learn what is cloud computing in the high level way, we just see with the real example, so it will be very easy to understand what is cloud computing. Okay. Now, if you see here, there is a one person. Okay. This person got the job in one city called Bangalore. Okay. He got the job in the city called Bangalore. Now he has a very tricky situation. Now where he need to stay. Now he has a two options. What is the first option is he need to buy one land and he need to construct one house there, and he need to buy all the equipments in the home. There is a next option which he has is he can join in the hostel. He can join in the hostel. Now in this case, what happened is he has to buy the land, he has to construct the house, he need to buy all the equipments in the home. It means here he is investing. Unfortunately, after 2 years, he got the transfer. Now, what about this land and what about this building and what about these items? Wasted, right? So instead of that, what he can do is he can go with the hostel. If he go with the hostel, what happened is here he is just paying the amount to the hostel. It means he is using all the resources as paying the amount, right? Monthly basis, he are going to pay the amount. He are renting the resources. The word you have to remember is renting the resources. Okay. Now, this renting the resource is nothing but we can call it as a cloud computing. We no need to buy, we just take it as a rent. That's all. So, taking the resources as a rent, that we can call it as a cloud computing. Okay. Now, if you move forward further to understand clearly in the form of industry aspect, if you see here, let us take there is one industry. Okay. That industry is a software industry. Now, for this industry, to perform all the different works and the tasks, it requires some servers, it requires some databases. To store all these database and physical servers, what it require one land. Along with the land, it require one building to set up all these resources there. It is nothing but everything was owned, everything was by one company. Okay. Now, instead of going with this, buying all the resources, simply we can go with the cloud environment, cloud resources. Whatever resources here it was buyed, the same will be available here also. It means, let us take for example, there is a e-commerce website is there. Okay, let us take one of the shopping e-commerce website is there. For that e-commerce website, what the company, whatever the company is there, that company what it did is it was set up with three physical servers. It was set up and is using it. Now, in this case, what happened is, let us take if any offer was kept in that online shopping website. Now, it got huge hits. It means many users are using that e-commerce website. Now, these three servers is not sufficient to process all the requests. Now, what the company will do? Will it overnight? Will it go and buy nearly 2 to 3 more physical servers? It is going to buy at a overnight. It is not possible, right? So instead of going physically like this, physical infrastructure, we will simply go with the cloud infrastructure. Now, what is happening here is many cloud providers are there. Many cloud providers are there. They are going to provide you all these resources, the physical servers, or if you take databases or many virtual machines or different resources, the cloud providers are ready to give. Now, what this company can do is it can just take it as a rent. It means please go with the pay as you go. Now, what happened in this case? If it requires 3 or 4 servers, no problem. Immediately you will pay. Then automatically you are going to get the resource. 10 resource, 20 resource, 30 resource, as many you want, you can go that many servers instead of buying physically overnight. So now what happened in this case? Let us take your e-commerce website has decreased your demand. Now, what is going to happen? The servers are also going to reduce auto scale. You can auto scale it. It means you can reduce the usage of the server. Now, you are going to pay only how many server? 2 to 3 servers you have used. That server amount you can pay. That's it. No need to pay much. So, to provide all these resources in the basis of rent, pay as you go rent. So, there are many cloud providers are there. Those who are going to provide these resources via cloud, and they are. If you see here, Google Cloud Platform is there, one of the cloud provider. The another AWS is there, one of the cloud provider. Microsoft Azure is there, one of the cloud provider. And the next Oracle Cloud is there, one of the cloud provider. So these cloud providers are going to provide you the resources via cloud. It means pay as you go. How much resource you have used, that much you can pay. That is enough. No need to pay much amount. So no need to set up physical infrastructure and no need to do all these things. Any companies who are nowadays are migrating to the cloud itself because it is very difficult to maintain all the physical server, physical infrastructure and all. Okay, from today onwards, we are going to learn about one of the cloud provider called Google Cloud Platform. Nothing but it is a GCP. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching the video.